Okay, for today's game, it has been a very hard match because we've met the first game. We met a new challenge, a new opponent. We've not played them before, and actually, you saw the first game. It was a very crucial match. We were okay as a coach. I was expecting to win with more than even 5 goals, but unfortunately, my opponent tactically he was good. And I managed to win, but with a one goal win, which was not according to my expectations. And about the second match, the opponent of the second match, we've been playing friendly matches against them, but they reinforced the team. Actually, that is I may say that was the reason as to why we didn't score enough goals as I was expecting. And so I've seen the weakness of my team. So as a coach, I'm going to work about the weakness of the team so that as we are going to approach the regional level, we go and fight. Because at the end of the day, Magas are ready, well mentally prepared, physically prepared, and are ready to carry back the trophy at home.
Kwa game ya leo, game ya kwanza tumeshinda 9-0. Game ya pili tukajituma pia, tumeshinda 4-0. Na strategy yenye tumetumia ni kuweka ball chini, kujituma ile kabisa na kuapply kila kitu yenye coach ametuambia. Kwa game ya leo sija consider any goal. Hiyo ni part ya goalkeeping inafaa ikuwe, na strategy yenye nimetumia ni ile kuongea, kucommunicate na defender wangu na kupiga shughuli safi. Tunapoelekea finali ambayo itakuwa hapo hivyo Nakuru, hapo hivyo showground. I think kwa mafans wetu watarajia tu win na win tu